In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list and sell your ebook on eBay, perfect for generating some extra income or reaching a broader audience with your digital content. The process is simple, and I'll guide you through each step, ensuring you're set up for success. Let's dive right in. First, you're going to need to log into your eBay seller account. If you haven't done this in a while or are new to selling on eBay, make sure your login details are up to date and that you're comfortable navigating the dashboard. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page and click on the Sell button. This is your gateway to listing items for sale, so click it confidently. When you click Sell, you'll be prompted to select a category for your item. Since we're dealing with ebooks or any other type of digital product, you'll want to choose something like the ebooks category. If that's unavailable, look for a category closely related to digital products. Choosing the right category is crucial because it helps potential buyers find your listing more effectively. With the category set, it's time to craft a detailed listing for your ebook. Start by creating a compelling title. Make sure it's clear, concise, and contains key terms that potential buyers might use when searching. Next, move on to the description. Here, you'll want to provide as much relevant information as possible. This can include a brief summary of your ebook, key features, and any benefits the reader will gain. Make it engaging and informative to attract interest. Lastly, set a fair price based on similar items in the market, ensuring it's competitive, but also reflects the value of your work. Now that your listing is coming together, it's time to address how your buyers will receive the product once purchased. If you're uploading the ebook directly, ensure the file is ready and formatted correctly. Alternatively, you can opt to provide secure download instructions. It's important these instructions are clear and easy to follow to ensure a smooth transaction for your buyers. Once everything is in place, you're ready to publish your listing. Double-check every detail before hitting the Publish button to ensure there are no errors. After the listing is live, your work isn't quite done. As soon as someone makes a purchase, be prompt in delivering the file if it's not automated. This means either ensuring the download process works seamlessly or manually sending the file through an approved method. And there you have it. That's all it takes to list and sell your ebook on eBay. With your listing live, keep an eye on it, respond to any potential buyer questions quickly, and consider this a learning experience. As you get more comfortable, you might find new ways to enhance your listings or improve sales tactics. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide gets you well on your way to selling success.